Is your garage turning into a sauna? Whether you're using it for DIY projects, storing temperature-sensitive items, or just need a cool escape, air conditioning can make a big difference. Why does a garage require an air conditioner? Garages can suffer from extreme temperatures for several reasons. Location. Garages on the south or west side of your home absorb more heat from the sun. Lack of insulation. Most garages aren't insulated, and hot air can easily seep inside. Garage colors. Dark-colored walls and doors in garages absorb more heat. Lack of ventilation. Limited airflow can cause heat to accumulate, making the garage even warmer. Here are the 3 best types of air conditioners for your garage. Mini split AC. Mini splits are highly efficient and don't require ductwork. They're easy to install and great for cooling large garages. Window AC. Window air conditioners are affordable and simple to install. They're ideal for smaller garages but can be noisy and do require a window in your garage. Through-the-wall AC. Through-the-wall air conditioners are more energy efficient than window units and are a great option if you don't have a window. However, they require a hole in the wall for installation. Portable AC. Portable air conditioners are versatile and easy to move around. They're perfect if you can't install a permanent unit, but they may be less efficient in larger spaces. No matter what kind of AC you have, you can transform it into a smart AC using Celo smart thermostats and add smart features that enhance your comfort. Set schedules to start cooling before you arrive. Maintain the perfect temperature with comfy mode, control your AC from anywhere, and much more. Not all cooling systems are suitable for garages. Central air conditioners. They pose health hazards. Shared ductwork between your home and garage can allow car fumes, carbon monoxide, and other chemicals from paints or motor oils to enter your house, potentially causing headaches, dizziness, or worse. In fact, many states prohibit HVAC extensions to garages due to these risks. Evaporative coolers. They pose humidity issues. These coolers work by blowing air over a damp pad, increasing humidity levels. In a confined space like a garage, this can lead to excess moisture and mold growth, especially in humid areas. With the right air conditioner, you can keep your garage comfortable and functional all year round. Choose the unit that best fits your needs and enjoy a cooler, more enjoyable garage space.